Hello, welcome back to the Pedestal Wife Society. My name is Brown, and today, since I am in such a great mood, I love Christmas, and it is starting to feel a lot like Christmas for me, I'm going to give you a gift. If if you're a woman who sets her intention for 2023, and you're in the process of getting ready to do that, or you're waiting to do that on January the 1st, do it on December 21st, the beginning of winter. You always want to complete your vision board, set your intention for 2023 on December 21st, and you will thank me later. Okay, now let's get into the top of the video today. First of all, ladies, stop going everywhere and hot potatoing your needs off on everybody and letting the world know what you need. Stop being so verbal about your needs, especially when you haven't owned them. The reason why it is so important that you stop this, because it's a big red flag. It's a big indicator that you've never had your needs met. See, when I hear women express that their needs have to be met, and the only way their needs can be met is if someone else's lose, I can tell that your needs have never been met and your needs have never been fulfilled in a relationship. Or if your needs supersedes everyone else's needs, I can also tell that your needs have never been met in a relationship. And so if I can tell, usually high quality men also can tell that you've never had your needs fulfilled. Now, when queens own their needs, when women in queen consciousness own their needs are being met because they understand what their needs will give to others. And let's talk about what that looks like and what you need to do so you can start owning your needs. And then you can figure out, if I have my needs met, what will it do for me? What would it allow me to be? And how will it give to others? Because a woman in queen consciousness having her needs met will be a gift that keep on giving. So let's talk about what that talks about, what that means. A woman in queen consciousness pays attention to what her needs being met will give her so she can be her best to others. Understanding what your needs will allow you to be, do, or give to others. Now let's start out let's start the process of what that would be. And if I were you, I would start working on this on December 21st. Yes, I'm giving the information to you early because I know I'm about to go on vacation and I won't be available. So let's talk about what you need to do. First of all, understand the difference between need and want. Your needs are necessary to live and function. Your wants are what you want to improve your quality of life. So when you're actually determining what are my needs and wants, you need to write out a list of what are my needs, okay? And once you have a list of needs, and then you're going to write a list of wants. Make sure you discern the two, because we're only going to focus on this list, which is your needs. And then when you have your needs down, you're going to add the biggest question you need to be asking yourself. And I will actually do this in journaling form because, you know, I love journaling. I've been journaling for a long time, since I was the age of 25, and really since 19. But I really, clarified and specialized it down by the time I was of 25 of what journaling really meant to me. Because when I first started, I was just talking about my life. Like, this is what happened to me, blah, 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 blah. And then at age 25, I started looking deeper and digging deeper into my life. So that's what I feel like journaling did for me. So, but let's get back to the topic. Let's not get off topic today. So we're going to look at our needs over here, right? What do I need? Okay. And that's going to be your first journal prompt. Your second journal prompt is, what will this need do for me, allow me to be, and give to others? And see, asking yourself this about your needs will help you never to self-sacrifice. You will never give up your needs to be in any relationship. You will always be able to pay attention to your needs and own them and see what your needs will give to you so that you can be better, do better, and live the life that you desire it to be. And this is the reason why needs are so important, because you want to make sure that any relationship that you have, you don't want to be the woman who has sacrificed her needs Sacrifice the things that she needs to function in order to be in a relationship. This way it will lead to you, make sure that you're not holding the relationship up by sacrificing your needs. And so own your needs, ladies. Own it. See what it means to meet you and how it will make you be, do, and allow you to give to others. And you will see yourself be and operate as a queen in her needs. And this is all I have for you today. Make sure that if you haven't, there's still some time to get into my Activate Queen Consciousness. I'm going to have it linked down below. These are some of the things that we're going to be talking about tomorrow.